Good evening to all. I am Sailesh Kumar from Patna, Bihar. So today we will discuss about India and Russia friendly relation. So before we further describe the relation, we should make a bullet point what I am going to discuss. The first one is that historical background, and the second one is that I will what was the time when India come closer to the Russia, and third will that what are the major time when Russia openly support the India, and after that, why we Indian government don't support Ukraine instead of Russia. So let us start. So Russia and India share a friendly relation within many decades. I think the main time is when during the Cold War there are two major powers. The first one is the USA and the second one is the Russia. But at the same time, we also make a treaty that is non-alliance treaty, and at the same time we also make a friendly relation treaty with the Russia. But during the Cold War, we are closer to the Russia. So in my point of view, that was a time when India come closer to the Russia is a Cold War. So next one is that Russia openly support to the India, such as in 1965 there are in 1965 Indo-Pakistan war. At that time, our forces are not modernized, but enemy, which means Pakistan, who just fully modernized and have a third generation modernized tank, spears, jet. But at the same time, we have no any kind of modernized weapons. But at the same time, Russia make a wall in 1965 to support India. And another one is that 1971 war. At the during that war, the end of the war, the Pakistan who just go to the UN with the help of America and say that India is just harass our neighbor. And at during that time, the American naval asset, that is Seventh Fleet, as well as France and Britain Eagle Air Force, who just ready to attack our main city and just stand in the Indian Ocean. But at the same time, there is a Russia who make the encircle in the Bay of Bengal and care and protect of India. So there are the point Russia openly support. Some of the major point where Russia directly support in a UN, such as UNSC Security Council. Russia always say that make a permanent seat in a veto to the India, as well as he also support in a geopolitics, such as many time the Kashmir way release in a UN. But at the same time, Russia come and make the veto the removal of the article, or as well as Russia help in a measure in a defense way, such as we all are know that there are 70 to 80% defense equipment are come in from Russia, such as MiG-29, MiG-21, Sukhoi 30 MKI, S-400 defense system, AK-203 rifles, and many more. So at the last one is that when Russia invade in Ukraine, why India not support Ukraine as a democratic country? Because we all, if you refresh the history, Ukraine are that country who just never support India in a UN, such as we test a nuclear bomb in a Pokhran. Ukraine is just opposed in a UNA, and as well as recently current government who just abrogation of Article 370 in a Jammu Kashmir, he just opposed in a UNA. So there are the reason we never support Ukraine in this war. And what was the reason we support Russia in this war? I was discussed in a previous way. So thank you to all. There is my point. Russia and Ukraine, sorry, India and Russia friendship. If you add to some make point, please comment down.